Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. So when you open your Monopoly Go app, you want to tap on the friends icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And here you can actually invite friends by tapping this invite button. Now, if the invite friends is not working, so all you need to do here is going to your phone settings. Now, here on your phone settings, you want to scroll down and tap on these apps. And basically, you just need to go to apps management or manage apps. Now, once you tap on these manage apps, basically, you just need to wait for a few seconds. And once it's done, you want to use the search box right there at the top. And we're going to type here Monopoly Go. And then go to this application. And here, basically, just tap on the storage right there at the top. And then tap on clear data right here at the bottom. And then you just have to tap on clear cache and clear all data. Now, once you've done, you just need to get the latest update of your Monopoly Go app. You want to go to your Google Play Store. And then here, just need to go to the search box at the top and basically search for Monopoly Go. Now, if an update button shows up here, just need to tap on update. So you will get the latest version of the Monopoly Go app. So that's how you basically fix invite friends not working. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.